How are you doing, math learners? This is your free access math teacher Ash, and welcome to ML with Sir Ash. For today's lesson, we're going to discuss a topic that is both discussed in the grade 7 and grade 9 mathematics, and this is all about the law of exponents. In this video, you will learn the 5 rules that pertains the law of exponents, the negative exponent rule. So I have already given you some pointers on this part. So what does the negative exponent rule mean? Let's say if you have a to the power of negative m, what you will do is you just get the reciprocal of that expression, and that will become 1 over a to the power of m. Easy, right? Now, what if you have 1 over a to the power of negative m? Then you get the reciprocal of that one, and that will become a to the power of m. Easy, right? So, let's consider an example. So, let's say we have 10x squared y negative 5 z 4 over 2x to the negative 4 y cube z 6. So, what is the final answer? So, since in this example you see negative exponents, I will teach you one trick. If you see negative exponent, what you will do is you just transfer them to the other side. If the negative exponent is in the denominator side, then you transfer it to the numerator side. If the negative exponent is in the numerator side, you transfer it to the denominator side, and vice versa. Then how do we do this? Okay, so first let me transfer first the negative exponent. So that will give me 10x squared. And this x to the fourth, I will transfer it. So this will become x to the fourth. This y5, I will transfer it below. So y5. And then, what remains here is the z to the 4. Okay. So in the denominator side, what remains is the 2. My x is already transferred. That is here. My y cube is still here. And the z, 6. Okay, now, what I will do is I will simplify the given. So, 10 divided by 2, that is 5. X, there are 2 x's here, but there are no x in the denominator side. So, I will apply the product rule. So, x squared and x fourth, that will give me x to the 6. Then, that is z to the 4th power over. So, since I have already divided this one, so this is already finished. So, in the denominator side, I have y to the 5th and y cubed. And there is no y in the numerator. So, I just copy y to the 8th power. And then, z, 6. Now, as you can see, both my numerator and denominator has the variable z. So, I can still simplify this one, giving me 5x to the 6 over y to the 8. Since z here is bigger than this one, so if I have 4z here and I have 6z's here, so I will cancel all the 4z in the numerator and in the denominator. I will still have 2 more z's in the denominator side, and that is my final answer. Easy, right? So now let us go to our final rule, and that is the zero exponent rule. And now for the last but not the least rule, the zero exponent rule is considered to be the easiest rule among the exponents. Why? Because by definition, any number or expression or variable that has an exponent of 0, the resulting answer is equal to 1. What does this mean? If you have a to the power of 0, the answer is 1. If you have 5 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. If you have 10 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. If you have x to the 0, the answer is 1. So any variable or number that has an exponent of 0, the final answer is 1. But let me correct some confusions to you. If you encounter this one, 3x to the power of 0, the answer here is 3. Why is that so? It's because 0 here only pertains as an exponent of x and not 3 as a whole. So therefore, if I simplify x to the power of 0, that will give me 3 times 1, which will result to positive 3. But if the given is 3, the quantity 3x to the power of 0, Then, if I simplify this, the final answer is 1. Easy, right? So, I hope you have understood this topic about the law of exponent. This is very important, my dear math learners, both in the grade 7 and in the grade 9 level, because this is a foundational topic for future mathematical computations. Okay, math learners, I hope you have a wonderful time about our topic for today. If you do have some questions about this topic, do not hesitate to put your inquiries in our comment section below. Thank you for subscribing, liking this video, and sharing this to your fellow friends, classmates, and schoolmates. This is still your free access math teacher Ash. And always remember, it is fun to learn mathematics if we are together learning. Thank you so much, God bless, and keep safe always. Congratulations, math learners, for arriving to this part of the video. If you think that this video have helped you, click that like button. And if you think that this channel can change the way you see mathematics, do not forget to click that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you.